Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix Microsoft Teams, change your browser settings to allow third-party cookies. Chrome //settings /content/cookies. Click Add under Allo. Type Microsoft.com. Click Add. Click Add. Type MicrosoftOnline.com. Click Add. Click Add. Type Skype.com. Click Add. Click Add. Type online.link.com. Click Add. Restart your browser. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.